Samoa is a very beautiful island nation, and it is also called the Pearl of the Pacific. It is believed that in Samoa and in Tonga, that is where all of Polynesia started. People from those two island nations migrated to other island nations like Tahiti and Fiji and Hawaii and many other island nations that are in the Polynesian Triangle. Samoa has a very unique history. They believe that they were formed through a god named Tangaloa. They believe that the family is the greatest and most precious thing that you can have in this life. And it is shown throughout the way they live their society. Throughout their lives, Samoans have learned to live together as one big family. No matter where you go, it's like you're with your family. And as we've gone through the history of Samoa, we've seen as they've gone through matais, the chiefs is like the dad of the village. And then you have the moms, and you have the children, and you have all the other people that are part of the family inside each of the villages. Samoa has a very rich history with proverbs. They've used proverbs since ancient times to explain different aspects of their lives. Their history is very rich in their culture, which is family first and respect for your elders. And that is something that goes on until this time today, where they respect their elders and where they show love one for another. So I'm grateful that I had this opportunity to learn about Samoa's rich history and to be able to experience it myself and let it change my life.